Hello student, welcome back to your online class. Today we are going to study about safety and first aid. Okay, chapter 10, page number 38. Okay, safety means to keep yourself and others from free from harm and danger. Okay, safety means, and first aid means there will be small box where medicine keeps. Okay, where medicine will keep. Okay, maybe you also have at home, there will be small box where you keep medicine, all medicine. Okay, that box we call first aid. Okay, introduction. Safety rules not only save us but save others also. There are some rules. If we follow that rules, then that will keeps us safe. Not only for us, it will also keep safe others' life also. Okay. In most of the places, accidents take place when we become careless. So, to prevent accident, we should be careful and follow the safety rules. Okay, there are some rules and there are some places where accident take place. Okay, if we did not follow the safety rules, okay, and we become careless, when our life will be in danger. Okay, so always follow the safety rules so that you should be safe and alive. Okay, while walking on the road, keep to the left. Always walk on the footpath. While going out or while going to school, you always walk on the footpath. Okay, and you are walking. If you are walking on the road, don't walk between the road. Okay, because vehicles were moving there, you will get danger from there, you will be harmed. Okay, so always walk on the footpath. Okay, left side in the road, there will be left side, there will be footpath. Okay, always walk in that footpath. Okay, don't walk between the road. Always cross the road at the zebra crossing. Cross the road on when the signal is green. And while crossing the road, also you cross zebra crossing. Okay, zebra crossing means there will be a road painted, with black and white stripes where vehicles stop so that people can walk across. Okay, while crossing road, look, there will be a signal that will be in green color. Okay, when that green light will come, that time only cross the road. Okay, don't cross the road while vehicle were moving. Okay, wait for the green light and only cross the road so that you will be safe from danger. Okay, from accident. Okay, never play on the road. Play only in the playground or in a parks. Don't play on the road. Okay, neighbor play on the road. Never do like that. If you want to play, go to playground or in a park. Okay, and there you can play. Okay, but never play on the road. Okay, because while playing on the road, a vehicle will come and it will take accident. Okay, and your life will be in danger. For that, don't play on the road. Okay, don't play on the road. Play on the ground or in a park. Okay, here are some rules, some point which you have to avoid. Okay, these all we have to avoid doing. Okay, do not get in or out of a moving bus. While bus will be moving, that time don't come out from the bus. Okay, or when bus will be moving, don't enter in the bus also. Okay, because your life will be in danger. You will be in accident. You will get accident. You will get harm from that. Okay, don't do like that. Okay, don't get in or out while moving bus. Okay, here, never play with blades, knife or match sticks. Yes, never play with knife and blades. Okay. If you are playing that blades and knife, that time you will cut your hand, and that hand will infect. Your hand will infect. That time you have to go hospital and you have to put injection. So that's why don't play with blades or knives. Okay, and don't play with matchbox also. By mistakenly you burn your body, so don't play with the matchsticks also. Keep away from fire and always keep away from fire. Don't play with fire also, because it will take accident. Okay, you are playing if you are playing with fire and that fire will burn your house, burn your clothes, and it will take big accident, right? So don't play with fire. Okay, do not touch live electric wires and switch. While electric is on, don't touch that wire. Okay, you will get shock from there and your life will be in danger. Okay, don't do like that. Okay, do not keep any part of your body out of the bus, out of the moving bus. While moving bus, don't take out your hands, don't take out your head. Okay, because while moving bus, from other side there will come vehicle. That vehicle will hit you and it will take accident, right? It will harm you, it will be danger for you. So don't take out a hand and head from the bus. Okay, it is not good also, it will take accident. Okay, always stand in a queue at the bus stop. Yes, and don't move here and there. Stand in a bus stand and wait for a bus, okay, to come. Okay, don't move here and there in a road. Okay, it will help you. Always queue at the bus stop. Okay, always wait there. Next page. First aid. I have told you, first aid means there will be small box. Inside that box there will be so many medicines. Okay, that medicine will help us whenever we will be in suddenly we will fall sick. That time it will be helpful for us. Okay, it is an immediate medical help given to an injured person. We should always keep a first aid box ready. Yes, it is very helpful. While driving also, you keep this first aid box in your car. Whenever while you are traveling, that time if you fall sick, that time you can use this first aid box. Inside there will be medicine. You can take that medicine and you can have. And also while going here and there, if somebody falls sick on the way, that time also you can help that person if you have this first aid box, right? Okay, we have finished this chapter. Okay, now exercises. These question answers I will send you in WhatsApp group. Come B. Write T for true and F for false. Okay, if the sentence is right, you write there T. If the sentence is wrong, you write there false. Okay, number 1, we can cross the road anywhere. Is it right or wrong? We can cross here and there in that road if the vehicle is also coming. No, don't cross the road while vehicles were moving. Okay, so this one is false, right? F. Number 2, we should not touch the electric wires. Yes, if the wire is on, if the electric is on, so that time don't touch the electric wire. Okay, it will shock, it will get shock and you will get harm from there, it will take accident. Okay, so this one is true. Number 3, do not play with fire. Yes, do not play with fire, it will also take accident and it will harm you and others. So do not play with fire. This one is also true. Number 4, always walk on the right. While going out, you have to walk on the right or left? On the footpath, you always have to walk on the left side, okay, where there will be footpath. This one is wrong. That means F. Number 5, never play on the road. Yes, if you want to play, you play in a ground or in a park, okay. Don't play on the ground, okay. So this one is true. Come down, there is a C. Fill in the blanks in the blanks. Fill in the blanks with the right option, okay. This one is, something wrong is there. Okay, you got this one because this one is wrong, okay. This much only, fill in the blanks only, okay. There are some options: knife, green, queue, left and road, okay. Number 1, we should cross the road at the what signal? Green signal, okay. Green signal. When green signal will come, that time only cross the road, okay. G, R, E, E and green. Number 2, always walk on the right or left side. We have to walk. Always left side, okay. L-E-F-T, left side, okay. Number 3, never play on the dash. Where we have to play? We have to play on a playground, on a park, not in a road, okay, not on a road. So never play on the road. R-O-A-D, road. Number 4, always stand in a dash. In bus stand, we have to wait, right? We have to wait for a vehicle or bus. So always stand in a queue. Q-U-E-U-E. Okay, queue. 5, we should not play with a dash. With what we should not play? With knife. Okay, K-N-I-F-E, knife. We should not play with a knife. D, match the following. We have to match with each other. Okay, column A to column B. We have to match. Crossing, while crossing the road, we have to cross by zebra crossing. Okay. Walking, road. Knife, cutting of fruits. Tank, swimming. Okay, swimming. Activity. Tick, write the activity that we should not do and cross the activity that we should not do. Okay. Make one chart in your copy. Write there what we have to do, what should we do or what should not do, okay. For example is there, while walking the road, we have to walk always on the left, okay. That one is we should do while walking, we have to walk on the left side, okay. And what should not do? We should not do that. There are examples. We should not play with fire, blades, knife. There are examples, okay. So this all exercise you do on your notes book, okay. And this question answer I will send you in your WhatsApp group, okay. Thank you.